My name is Helena Jeffery Brown. I represent the government of Antigua and Barbuda. I'm the head of delegation here at COP15.2. I'm also on the Bureau as a Caribbean rep within the GULAC region on the Bureau. And presently I'm acting as the Working Group 2 chair for the COP. Presently, we are working through many CRPs. Last week, we were able to work through 18 CRPs, and as yesterday, we worked through 9 CRPs, which included the implementation plan for the Cartagena Protocol, which was significant, and many others, looking at invasives, at IPBES, various others, and we had good compromising spirit in the room, so I appreciate my colleagues from the region and from the other regions who worked together to come up with compromising texts. However, there are two documents where there are brackets, and the brackets are around issues such as nature-based solutions and ecosystem-based approaches. We were unable to resolve those at the contact group level, at the working group level, so therefore we have asked the President to manage it at the L level, and we hope to have some resolution then, because we know that there are simultaneous discussions taking place around those issues under Working Group 1 within the Global Biodiversity Framework. But still we have several contact groups still in process, looking at synthetic biology, looking at biodiversity and climate change, looking at biodiversity and health, and various others, where we are still working through the issues and trying to our best to find a compromise or resolving text around these issues. So we hope to be able to come back to plenary later this week, where we hope to have as clean text as possible moving forward to the final plenary of COP. So I really appreciate the compromising spirit of the parties within Working Group 2, the hard work by the Secretariat, all the co-chairs of the Friends of the Chair, and contact groups that support this process and help manage this process. So thank you. Thank you.